So Kate's going to show us a clamshell. This is good for getting your hip external rotators and hip abductors, which are great for stabilizing that hip anytime you're in a weight-bearing position. So she'll start out laying on the ground, just a nice straight neutral spine, so you can kind of lay your head, rest your head there. So she's nice and straight through her spine, knees are bent, legs stacked on top of each other. So Kate, you're going to kind of pull that belly button in so your spine is supported, and just open up at the knees, keeping your feet together, and then nice and slowly lower back down. So we want to make sure that as she's lifting her legs, she doesn't rotate her hips back, compensating by rotating her spine. So this looks good, and you should kind of feel this right in the back of your hip, kind of the back pocket region. So this is the first, kind of the easiest to start here.
Give me 2 minutes.
To make this a little bit harder,
I feel like I've done this.
we're going to add a kick. So you're going to open up here, then kick back, and then close that clamshell again. So getting a little bit more hip abductors in. Kick back towards me. There we go. And back down. Good. One more. Okay. And going for a little bit more hip endurance, we can start with your knees on the floor and your feet rotated up like this. So now you're going to do your clam. So open up at the knees with the kick, back, yep, and back down. So because she never fully relaxes her feet down on the mat, that hip muscle is always turned on. Good. And lastly, to make all of these harder, we can add a, you can relax, add a bare hand around the knees. Okay. Good. And you should really feel that hip burning. Good. And then, of course, we'd switch and do the other side too. All right, good.